Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, shoe believers, let's get this episode underway. Get you guys a little bit of box action at focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 3 Retro White, Black, Dark Iris, aka the Jordan 3 Retro Dark Irish. Not a bad shoe. Like I said, I bought most of the threes that came out. So I said I might as well get a pair of these. Got this light out. Get a little look at the shoe. Materials on this shoe aren't bad in my opinion. It's a little weird looking. It's basically Jordy 3, all white. You see the elephant print on the front and back with the purple. Another Air Jumpman or Air Jordan on the back. Whatever you like to call Jumpman Air. The purple blocking on the bottom. All white leather. I guess if you were a fan of purple, you could get this shoe. Let me look in the box real quick. Same as all of them recently. No extra laces. Had these sitting for I don't know how long. There was damage on these, but nothing major. Looks like they missed out on a little bit of the elephant print, a little bit of the paint bottom. A little stain on mine, but nothing major. So overall, it's a pretty good Jordan 3, in my opinion. Not the best Jordan 3. Get you guys, like I said, some more top action. See the little Jumpman. Nothing special inside the shoe. I know what you guys think about these Jordan 3 Dark Irises. It's not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, it just seems to be an average Jordan. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We know what Jordans you guys want to see in the next video. And we guys know what Jordans you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!